So what does inaccessibility really mean? Why does it matter? And how can we address and make places inclusive to all of us? So stick with me while we uncomplicate accessibility and figure out how we can achieve it. Accessibility is not just about ramps and elevators. It's about removing barriers, physical, digital, social, so that everyone, regardless of ability, can participate. If a space works for some, it works for none. Most of us think that accessibility is something that people with different abilities ask for and need. But this is not really true, right? There can be people suffering from anxiety that may need accommodations, or pregnant women may need accommodations. Maybe just an aged person may need some help getting into places or being comfortable. Remember, accessibility is not just about removing physical barriers, it's about the mental, social, and digital as well. So universal design is not just a fancy word, it really does benefit everyone. You don't need to redesign your space or even the city to make things accessible. Small changes are enough. Some examples, some changes we can all make that will help make this impact are building ramps at entrances to help people who can't walk or can't climb enter all spaces. Adding alt text to all images to help the visually impaired enjoy and understand what's going on in the media. Having staff that's trained in etiquette will help people feel welcomed and more comfortable in assessing what their needs may be. Another easy example is just adding signage with clear contrast. This helps the visually impaired make clear distinctions. Remember, accessibility is not charity, it's equity. One of the biggest mindset shifts you can make is to stop assuming and start asking. So instead of assuming that a person who can't see properly or a person who can't walk properly, how they need help, just ask them, how can I assist you? How can I help you? It's nice enough that you have a thought to want to help, but just put that thought into action and ask them how you can help instead of assuming. And if you're planning an event or an outing or a gathering, make sure it's inclusive and accessible to everyone, because remember, accessibility is not just for the differently abled, but it's for everyone's convenience and comfort. You don't need to be differently able to be an advocate. You can speak up to what's going right in society, celebrate brands that matter, add alt text to your own digital media. And the more of us that care and the more of us that show compassion, the quicker change happens. Let's not wait for accessibility to become a trend. Let's make it a default. So if this video opened your eyes, share it. Educate one person. Call out one barrier, because change starts with just one domino. And that first domino is awareness. Drop a thumbs up if you believe every space should be for everyone. Accessibility is not an extra, it's an essential. One more, ready?
Ready.
Paul!
Just a BTS.
Hey, you're just saying when I feel love now.
No. It's like
वो क्या कर रहा है? वो फोन ले रहा है। जब लोग मेरा आवाज सुनते